In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email approval requests in HubSpot. If you're ready to ensure every marketing email from your team meets the highest standards before going live, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to access your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top navigation menu. You're going to want to hover over the Marketing tab. This is where all your marketing tools are organized. From the drop-down menu that appears, go ahead and click on Email. This is your launching pad for managing all your email marketing campaigns. Next, we need to make a quick detour over to the Settings. So guide your cursor over to the top corner where you'll find the Settings icon. It typically looks like a small cogwheel. Click on it, and this will open up a plethora of configuration options for your HubSpot tools. You're going to be looking for the email approval section within these settings. If you don't see it right away, use the search functionality at the top of the page. Simply type in email approval to locate it quickly. Once you're there, click on it to open the email approval settings. Now it's time to enable the email approval request feature. This is the core step to activating the approval workflow. You'll notice a toggle switch next to the email approval request setting. Click on it to switch it on. This action will unlock the approval feature, allowing your emails to undergo a review process before they're sent out. With the feature now enabled, it's time to set up your approvers. These are the team members who will review the emails. Click on the option to add approvers. This will open up a dialog where you can select or search for team members within your organization. Choose those who have the necessary insight and authority to give the green light on email content. Once you've selected your approvers, you'll also have the option to configure approval workflows. This step involves deciding the order of approvals, specifying any conditions, and organizing how the approvers will be notified. After configuring these settings, make sure to save all changes. There should be a Save button either at the top or bottom of the page. Clicking this will apply all the adjustments you've made to the approval process. Now your email marketing workflow is ready to start sending emails for approval prior to publishing. Before any campaign goes live, the selected approvers will be prompted to review and approve the content, ensuring everything aligns with your brand standards. And there you have it. Your email approval requests are set up and ready to streamline your email marketing efforts. By adding this extra layer of oversight, you're not only maintaining quality, but also providing an opportunity for team collaboration and feedback. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps make your email marketing journey through HubSpot both seamless and successful.